Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to download Capcut on any Windows. As long as you have the Microsoft Store, you should be able to download it. So where you're going to go is a Capcut. I'll leave the link in the description if you don't want to type it in. Capcut. Boom. This one right here. You click it. It's going to say install. You just click install. Once it's installed, it should look like this. I already have it installed. Then you want to go open Capcut. And then for me, it opened the latest video that I edited, and it was this unboxing of a what is it, gaming chair. And as you can see, I do use it. I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can see this video how it came out. I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, that's how you download it. This is a very powerful tool, and it's free. So you don't have to pay anything. You don't even have to sign up and create an account. I think that's really cool that you don't have to sign up. Use the program, and yeah, I used to use Sony Vegas right here, but I've seen that this is a lot easier to like edit, export, and then Sony Vegas just has a lot of options. It's good, but it just has so many options. And then After Effects I do for like other stuff, but this is for the basic editing. Perfect editing software. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Also in the next video, I'll show you guys how to edit videos on your smartphone, either iPhone or Android. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.